All right, up next we are doing Immaculate Collegiate Baseball Dual Box Break number 17.
So for this one, all the numbers, you can see the random serial numbers on your account. We'll just go ahead and say who has what card during the break, instead of reading off 100 numbers.
You did not. Yeah, I went to school David Freeze all through middle school and high school. Ooh, look at these. These are really bulky.
I tried to take it, Brian. I was told no.
Oh, yeah. Oh, just try to
Threw a
kill
knife at
myself with a knife.
Slow motion replay.
Oh, look at that right on top. Dang. Okay. Makes me so nervous. All right.
Neither one, Diesel.
Okay, so we start out with a Tony Gwynn 5 of 5 that is going to visit. Tony Gwynn. And Don Goudry. Ron Goudry. 19 of 25 autograph. Tim A. I've never called him David. Oh my god, you guys. Ooh, an AJ Reed. Immaculate 5 of 25 is going to visit. And oh, this is cool. Black gold.
Brian Johnson.
Brian Johnson, 21 of 99.
He's in
Which
this?
wax?
I had no clue he was in this stuff.
Me neither. And a Rob Refsnyder is another 5 of 25. Visit Refsnyder Immaculate Auto. Followed by a 42 of 99 Aaron Nola Old Man River. Aaron Nola Auto. I cannot put hearts on people's cards. Pretty sure Sam would never let me break again if I did that. And a Sonny Gray, 11 of 99, Brooks, Sonny Gray autograph. Ooh, that's cool. Sizable signatures, Kyle Schwarber. 58, yeah. 58 of 99. Posty. 58 of 99, Schwarber. Ooh, and a 10 of 25, Stephen Piscotty. Black gold. Raleigh Squirrel. 10 of 25, black gold autograph. And another Schwarber. This one is 61 of 99. Brooks. 61 of 99. Schwarber. This stuff is cool. Wait, what is getting weird? Well, I can't do that either, Rasmus. That would be correct. I think that would be a difficult task. The smelly one that I would rather not do. Yeah, what are the odds of that, Omni? I know he's thrilled. Where have you been, Rasmus? Did you fall asleep on us?
Power nap. Definitely power nap. If a Big Mac is hit, I'm going to have to mute the microphone due to squealing. There will be squealing.
There's flailing usually.
Flailing and squealing.
There is flailing going on. Alright, don't throw the knife on myself. Oh yeah. I keep forgetting to show that. Sorry, guys. I'm just not used to all this high-end special stuff. Alright.
Better check Posties first, Brian. Then you can check mine.
A 42 of 99 Dave Winfield, Old Man River. And a Michael Conforto 53 of 99 Thanos. I like that name. Ooh, it's a Brian Johnson, but very, very much a bulgy patch. 10 of 25 Brian Johnson, Rally Squirrel.
Brian, doesn't that get deleted automatically when you die? I thought there's some sort of, like, law.
Tyler Duffy, 16 of 25, CRS Chef. Ooh, Dave Winfield and Paul Molitor, 8 of 25. Who's got that one? Posty. Speaking of Posty, Dave Winfield, Paul Molitor duel. That's a sweet card. It's actually entirely accurate. And an Aaron Nola, 33 of 99, Black Cats. Aaron Nola. Tyler Naquin, 58 of 99, Posty. And a Sonny Gray, 27 of 99, Rally Squirrel. Sonny Gray autograph. And a Trey Turner, 54 of 99. Posty. Black gold autograph, Trey Turner. And last but not least, Schwarber patch autograph, 35 of 99. Sierra Chef. Schwarber patch autograph. Nice. Some good hits.